This is the Samsung Galaxy A13, a successor and an upgrade to the best-selling smartphone of 2021 with a shady price. Hey guys, it's Michael and I would love to let you know that if you are coming from a 90Hz refresh rate device, scrolling and typing on here won't be that fast. Everything looks laggy because it has a 60Hz refresh rate, but if you are using the predecessor or any device without a high refresh rate, you won't notice any difference. We get an upgrade in the screen resolution by 1080p on a TFT display with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 just in case it slips out of your hand to protect it. Talking about the Galaxy A13 slipping out of your hands, the rear has a glossy finish which is made out of plastic that is of a lesser quality to what is on the Galaxy A23. It has a more comfortable feel in my hands than the Galaxy A23 and I love the rear design which is reminiscent of the Galaxy A32 of last year. I played Call of Duty Mobile for about 3 minutes. The battery went down by 1% after gaming at the max settings on the Exynos 850 chipset, which is medium graphics and high frame rates. The upper part of this device at the rear heated up after gaming for that short period of time. Imagine if I had a longer gaming section, the rear of the device would have fried a potato. With a starting price of 95,000 naira, you can get the base 64GB model, or if you need more space and you don't want to expand your storage through the micro SD card slot on the card tray, there is also a 128GB model that costs 105,000 naira, but both variants comes with 4GB of RAM and you can get extra 4GB with RAM Plus. We get Android 12 with the core version of One UI 2.1, which means that there are some things you will miss out on. We get an upgraded 50MP quad camera setup at the rear. The photos taken on here are best among its peers at its price point, but don't expect video stabilization when you did not point a gun at Samsung's head. Even though we get a mid quality from the mono speaker, it is not so loud. Just keep your expectations low, don't be like Manchester United. With the 5000 mAh battery, I got about 7 hours of screen on time on my day-to-day tasks because there is no high refresh rate on here to drain the battery, and we have a 15W included power brick in the box to charge up this device from 0 to 100% in 2 hours. We have the fingerprint sensor on the power button and it is not even average at unlocking this device. You have to place your finger twice before printing it, then it unlocks. If you need a device that has a good camera, design and software update below 100k, then the Samsung Galaxy A13 is the one for you. Don't forget to check out my unboxing video here or my gaming review on the Samsung Galaxy A23 here.